This is our WordPress app, and our first interface, we click on the stats, and here we go. We have to install the jetpack to. This is our jetpack is installing, and we goes to the wordpress.com. Here we install our jetpack on our site dailykhabar.com. Install jetpack, activate jetpack, connect jetpack. It describes you how you install jetpack on your PC. And here we go have the post blog option, published drafts, and here we have the first blog of our site, how to post on our site through mobile app WordPress. This is our heading today, gold price in Pakistan. Here we add a multiple option. Today, gold price in Pakistan. Here we get a stats about the gold price in Pakistan through this app. We search a Pakistan. Here we get a picture about the prices of gold in Pakistan. Here we get the screenshot and resize it, crop it, and paste in our blogs. There should be a one image in your blog to get a good engagement, and a feature image is very necessary. Here we add up image from our device. Here we have a picture, and the picture is uploading. Here we write the $1 price of gold in Pakistan. $1074 7363.62. Here we have a multiple option: paragraph, verse, short course, spacer, social icons. This is the option we can use easily in our blog post to handle in every aspect of blogs. It is a very good app, a very easy to use. If you want to blog through your mobile, then you can go on download it from the Play Store. And here is our paragraph. dailykhabar.com. Please search it on website on your Google search engine, Bing, Yahoo. This is the news site dailykhabar.com. And now we set our tags in our blogs. You should add a multiple tags in your blog. Get the tags through a search engine in a last on the last front page of your search engine. We have a multiple tags. Then copy it and paste in your tags of every blog and you get a good SEO score. Always install a plugin all-in-one SEO. It is the best SEO plugin in a WordPress site. Add a long keywords and short keywords and go for a low competition keywords so that your blog might be ranked. And here we go on categories: gold price in Pakistan. Publish it. And our blog is going to publish and it is going to live on our site dailykhabar.com. Here we have a media of option for image and videos in our WordPress app. All images, documents, videos. You should add all your footages in once. This is blog post option. Here we have a plugin. You can also download or install your any plugin in your WordPress app through this button of plugin. This is all-in-one SEO, a best plugin. Download it now for your WordPress site if you don't download it. We have a setting option in our dailykhabar.com. You can change your username, password. You want to use blocker editor, that is view admin, my site reader, and here you can read blogs of other blogger and you can choose your categories: art, books, travel, blogging, anything, internship, entertainment, poetry, work, business, what you want to love, what you want to read, select on it and you can easily read a famous bloggers of the world and the best blogs about your niche, and always follow these blogs and read it because they will enhance your knowledge about the niche on which you are working. This is very good app and you see it is very easy to use and very basic options, not very complicated. And here we have a good blog, more tips for bloggers. You can read it, it's a very good blog. Stay safe, be patient. These are the key factors to start the blogging. Read it thoroughly and you love it how the blogger write it. And the third key factor is consistency in your blogs. Be patient, be consistent, be creative. You can read multiple blogs, many blogs about your topics you want to read. And thank you, please subscribe this channel and we will give you a many beautiful videos, good videos and knowledgeable videos to enhance your learning. Thank you.